Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome back to the channel where we break down everything you need to know about managing your Robinhood account. Today's video is all about how to disable margin on Robinhood. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip on safer investing. First off, let's quickly cover what margin trading is and why you might want to disable it. Margin trading allows you to borrow money from Robinhood to buy more stocks than you can afford with your own cash. Sounds tempting, right? But it comes with risks like potential margin calls, higher fees, and the chance of losing more than you invested. If you're just starting out or prefer a conservative approach, disabling margin is a smart move to protect your portfolio. Alright, let's get into the step-by-step process. This is straightforward, but always double-check on your own app as updates might change things slightly. Step 1. Open your Robinhood app and log in to your account. Make sure you're on the home screen. Step 2. Tap on the account icon, usually at the bottom right corner. It's the one that looks like a person silhouette. Step 3. Scroll down and select Settings from the menu. This is where all your account preferences are managed. Step 4. Look for the Investing section and tap on it. Here, you'll find options related to your trading settings. Step 5. Find Margin Investing in the list. It might be under a sub-menu, so keep an eye out. Step 6. Toggle the switch to turn off margin investing. You'll probably see a confirmation prompt. Read it carefully and confirm your choice. Once that's done, you're all set. Your account will no longer allow margin trading, helping you avoid unnecessary risks. Remember, if you have any open margin positions, you might need to close them first, so check that before disabling. In conclusion, disabling margin on Robinhood is a simple way to invest more safely. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any other Robinhood questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay smart with your investments.